फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2 याच्यामधले काही प्रॉब्लेम्स अभ्यासलेले होते. त्याचबरोबर बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनॅलिटी थेरम, अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम याचाही अभ्यास आपण केलेला होता. आजच्या लेक्चरला आपण प्रॉपर्टी ऑन 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल याचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. This property is very important for coming board exam because it is asked for 3 marks. या प्रॉपर्टीकडे जाण्याच्या पूर्वी मी तुम्हाला अशी नम्र विनंती करेल. मी शिवरकर एमएन, श्री भेकराई माता माध्यमिक विद्यालय, भेकराई नगर, फुरसुंगी. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इयत्ता 9वी 10वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी यूट्यूब लेक्चर तयार करण्याचा मानस मनात ठेवून हा छोटासा प्रयत्न. बरोबर आज 500च्या पुढे सबस्क्राईब केले, त्यामुळे सर्व मित्रांना, सर्व पालकांना, सर्व शिक्षक बंधू भगिनींना माझं विनम्र अभिवादन. आज आपण आजच्या या तासामध्ये प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 3 पॅरलल लाईन्स अँड देअर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल या पॉईंटकडे जाणार आहोत. I read the statement. The ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Remember this statement. This statement is known as property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal. This statement is given in your board exam. So, the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines. So I draw 3 parallel lines. Line L, line M and line N. These are the 3 parallel lines. Line L, line L, line M and line N. These are the 3 parallel lines. And line X and line Y, these are the transversal. Then draw the figure properly, because figure is very important. Line L, line M, line N parallel to each other, and line X and line Y intersect line L, M, N in the point A, B, C respectively, and this transversal Y intersect line L, M, N in the point P, Q, R respectively. So in the given I write there line L parallel line M parallel line N. Line X and line Y are the transversal. Transversal X intersect the lines in point A, B, C, and Y transversal intersect the line L, M, N in the point P, Q, R respectively. Then what do we have to prove here? We have to prove here, listen, observe, the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines, that means this ratio AB divided by BC is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made by any other transversal by the same parallel lines. So this is the transversal. This is the transversal which intersects this line L, M and N and makes an ratio that is the AB divided by BC. This is the another transversal which also made the ratio by intersecting line L, M, N, that is PQ divided by QR. Then we have to prove that this ratio AB divided by BC is equal to PQ divided by QR. That means this ratio and this ratio both are equal. That we have to prove. That means for proving this, we have to make a construction, make a small construction, make a change in a diagram, that is called construction. Draw segment PC, and that segment PC intersect line M in the point or at the point capital D. This is the construction. Then we go ahead on the proof. We have to consider this triangle. This is the triangle. In triangle ACP. In triangle ACP. In triangle ACP. In triangle ACP, this BD is parallel to AP. BD parallel to AP. That is construction. That is the construction. I repeat this again. In triangle ACP, this BD is parallel. This BD is parallel to AP. This BD is parallel. कोणाला पॅरलल आहे? AP ला पॅरलल आहे. In this triangle, in triangle ACP, this BD is parallel to AP. Therefore, CB divided by BA is equal to CD divided by DP. What I write there? CB divided by BA is equal to CD divided by DP. CB divided by BA is equal to CD divided by DP by basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem. Then by taking inverse of this, by invertendo, AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by CD. By invertendo and call it as number 1. That CB divided by BA is equal to CD divided by DP. By taking invertendo, you get AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by CD, and this is number 1. By reason is that by invertendo. Then consider this another figure, another triangle. In this triangle, in triangle PCR, this DQ is parallel to CR. So I write here, in triangle PCR, DQ parallel to CR. DQ parallel to CR because construction. Therefore, PD divided by DC. PD divided by DC is equal to PQ divided by QR. And reason by basic proportionality theorem and call it as number 2. Then observe this. या दोघांच्याकडे जर तुम्ही पाहिलं तर तुमच्या असं लक्षात येईल, AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by CD. AB divided by BC is equal to PD divided by DC. And here also PD divided by DC is equal to PQ divided by QR. Here PD divided by CD, here also PD divided by CD. Therefore AB divided by BC is equal to PQ divided by QR from 1 and 2. And thus the ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by 3 parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel line is proved. This is very simple property, and simple proof depend on basic proportionality theorem. So you have to write in your notebook and practice it. Practice is very necessary. It's very simple. So I take 1 or 2 more examples on this property of 3 parallel lines. Examples on this property. Practice set 1.2. practice set 1.2, there is one example on this property. There is one example on this property. Example number 5, which is depend on this. So listen and observe carefully. Practice set 1.2, problem number 5. So this is the figure. This is the figure which is drawn in your textbook. This is A, B, P, here Q, here D, and here C. And what we have to write here? In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel to side PQ and side PQ parallel to side DC. AP is equal to 15. PD is equal to 12. QC is equal to 14. And then we have to find out BQ. So listen how to write the answer of this question. This is very simple. AB parallel to PQ. PQ parallel to DC. Then by using property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal. What do we have to write here? By using property of 3 parallel lines and their transversal, ratio of these, that is AP divided by PD is equal to BQ divided by QC. This AP divided by PD is equal to BQ divided by QC. So substitute the values. What is the value of AP? That is 15. Divided by PD, that is 12, is equal to BQ. We have to find. Divided by QC, that is 14. Then by cross multiplication. Therefore 15 into 14 is equal to 12 into BQ. Therefore 15 into 14 divided by 12 is equal to BQ. Then 3 4s are 3 5s are. Again 4 1s are, 4 3s are 12. What is remain? 2. Take 0 right here, decimal point. 4 5s are. Therefore BQ is equal to 5 into 3.5. Therefore BQ is equal to 5 5s are 25. 2 is the carrier. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, and after decimal point there is 1 digit, and therefore your answer is BQ is equal to 17.5. So this is the problem which is asked for 2 marks. Write in your notebook and practice it also. Such problem is also there. Another one problem is also there. That is problem number 7. In practice set 1.2, there is a problem number 7. I draw the figure. You also see in your textbook. That is, this is one line. This is the another line. This is the another line. And this is AB. This is CD, which is parallel to AB. And again this is EF. This is parallel to CD. This is 8. This is 4. This is 12. And this is X. And what we have to given here? In figure, if AB parallel to CD parallel to EF, then we have to find out X. Find X and AE. We have to find here. To find X and CE. We have to find out X and AE, not C. X and AE. We have to find X and AE. Then it is very simple problem which is depend on property of 3 parallel lines. So what we have to given? AB parallel to CD parallel to EF. Therefore, by using property of three parallel lines and their transversal by using property of three parallel lines and their transversal, what I write there? Listen, BD divided by DF is equal to AC divided by CE. Then substitute the value. What is the value of BD? BD is nothing but 8 divided by DF, that is 4, is equal to AC nothing but 12, CE nothing but X. Then by cross multiplication, 8 into X is equal to 4 into 12. So X is nothing but 12 4s are 48 divided by 8. Therefore X is equal to 8 1s are 8 6s are. So X is equal to 6. मित्रांनो, आजचं सेशन अतिशय महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्यातला जो थेरम आहे, त्यातली जी प्रॉपर्टी आहे, दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट विच इज आस्क्ड फॉर 3 मार्क्स. आणि जे 2 प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण सोडवले त्याच्यापैकी कुठले एक एक्झाम्पल 2 मार्काला बोर्ड विचारतं. समजून घ्या, वहीमध्ये लिहून काढा. जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला समजत नाही तोपर्यंत हा व्हिडिओ पुन्हा पहा. निश्चितपणे तो तुम्हाला समजेल. आणि मी परत एकदा तुम्हा लोकांना विनंती करेल, सर्व माझ्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांना विनंती करेल की महादेव शिवरकर लेक्चर ऑन मॅथ्स हे चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका, लाईक करायला विसरू नका, शेअर करायला विसरू नका. दररोज तुमच्याकडे कमीत कमी एक तरी लेक्चर अपलोड झालेलं तुम्हाला मिळेल. ते तुम्ही पाहिलं की निश्चितपणे मित्रांनो तुम्हाला आउट ऑफ मार्क्स मिळण्याचा चान्स आहे. धन्यवाद.